Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make a great layout for a login screen that you can use in any app using SwiftUI very quickly. The first thing I did is I uploaded Facebook and Google logo photo and brand primary color, green color. Okay, I made a new SwiftUI file, name it login screen, and now we can get started. We'll start with a Z stack. In a Z stack, we will make a background of colors, linear gradient, colors black and brown. No, here I need to type brown, start point leading, end point bottom. So now we have a background. We need to add ignore safe area. Next thing we will do is VStack. In a VStack I will add general spacing of 25. I will add logo on top left corner, so that's image with system name, for example PlayStation logo, resizable with a frame of 40. And the last thing, we can add some padding. I will change here to blue in order to have a better background. So now it is in the center of the screen. We need to align it to the top, so I will add some spacer here, and I want to put it here. For do it, I will just add HStack. Inside HStack I will add spacer to move it to the left. That's it. That's the logo of some company, for example. Next thing I need is two text fields. So text field that will say username, text. We need some bindings. Username, prompt. For prompt I will use text username, foreground style, let's say cyan. Okay, I need to add two variables, add state var username of type string, and pass. We need to add them here to run our preview. So that's username, text field. We need to style this text field, so I will add text field style, plain text field style. We will customize it on our way, so foreground color will be black. I will add some padding on horizontal sides of 6. One more time. The next thing is background color clear, so we want to use the background of our Z stack. And I will add some overlay. So in overlay I will use rounded rectangle with corner radius of 10, stroke color white, and line width of 1. So that's our first text field for the username. I will just copy this, and for the second one I will use secure field for password. Okay, here I need to use binding for password, and that's it for the secure fields. We can add on our vStack, we can add some padding on horizontal sides of 20. Okay, that looks much better now. The next thing we will add is below this button, so button with action and label. For our label we will use, in this example we will just use text, login. For a font we can use title, foreground style color white. For a background we will use our brand primary color, which is green, some type of green. I will add clip shape rect with corner radius of 12. Then we can also add shadow, some shadow for the better look, 6, padding on top to move it from these text fields. And I forgot to add frames, so for frame we will use 270 and 50 for the height. This is not needed in this situation. So that's our login button. After that I will just add some divider with background black and some padding on top and bottom, which is vertical, of 50. So below this we will add 3 more buttons. I'll just copy this now, and here we will use button with label, so no text, label. Inside our label we'll use text, continue with Google, foreground style, so white color for the text, padding, and just a second, okay, I will use icon. For icon I will add our image that we previously uploaded in assets, so Facebook, resizable, scaled to fit, and we will edit a frame, so frame of 25, height also 25, foreground color we will use white also to match it. Padding, I will add padding for this image of leading 10. You will see later why that's important. And on the whole label I will add frame, so also 270 and 50 like upper button. We need to add some background, so background will be, in this example, blue background. Clip shape, I will just copy it from here, so this will be the same. And I think that's it for the for the Facebook bot. So, okay, I see my mistake. Here I will just say continue with Facebook. I will copy paste this 2 more times. So here I will say Google. Here we will say red. And the last one will be with Apple. And this is one bigger change. So here we will use system name that says apple.logo, that's SF symbol. And for the background, I will use gray. Okay, now we have 3 buttons. And in the last thing I will use is below spacer. I will add some text that will say you don't have an account, create one. Font weight, for example, semi-bold. Foreground style, white color, some padding, and I think that this is it. That's all you need to do in order to get pretty decent login screen, which can you build very fast. So here, down here below, you can use, for example, navigation link to wrap this text and just send your user to registration view. For the username, so password, divider, it looks pretty good. That's it for this video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel to help me deliver more content like this, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.